Alright, so today I'll be reviewing the AULA F108 Pro keyboard. This is a mechanical keyboard and it's 100%, which means it's full size. Here's the view when it's unboxed. Apart from the keyboard itself, we have a few accessories as well. Let's see. We have a keycap holder with a switch holder. Extra backup switches in case one of yours fails. And we have a cable. And here's the keyboard itself. I ordered the blue version with the gradient. Here it is. It's got a tri-mode connectivity, which means that you can either have it be wired through the USB Type-C. You can either have it be USB wireless, or you can have it be Bluetooth right here. Now these keycaps are side print, which means that from the top you can't see them, but you can see them, however, from the side. This keyboard does have a knob which controls volume, as well as a screen that shows you what type of connectivity you're on, as well as the date and time and the battery. We also have feet here that allow you to rise it up. There's two levels to this. Either this tall, or be this tall. I guess here's a little sound test. One thing I do have to say is these keys are very, very well stabilized and lubed. There's no rattling or anything that's going on. There's no ticking, or a slight bit of ticking, but that's all right. The keyboard sounds very well. These are linear switches, so they will be smoother than tactile or clicky ones. They sound very marbly. Let me just power this on real quick. Now the screen is booting up. You see there's the time, battery, as well as the date. Also, it shows you what kind of connectivity you're on. So currently I am on wireless, or wired it seems. You can also change a few of the settings, including what kind of lighting you want. That's pretty much it about this keyboard. It's very smooth. It's very smooth, and it's very stabilized as well as well lubed, and it will sound very nice right out of the box so you don't have to modify yourself or anything. It's really good. That's about it. Thank you.